Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a great way to hide your cat litter box? This beautiful shelf system from MXSUNH is a beautiful way to enclose the litter box, still have extra storage, and it's actually really pretty looking. This unit came in a box with really clear instructions and was quite easy to put together. Everything was in the box that we needed so that we could install it and get it set up. The unit is made out of compressed wood, and you can see on the outsides of the shelves it has metal. And surprisingly, it actually does take two of us to move the piece, so it's really sturdy and strong feeling. On the front, it has the two cabinet doors that enclose your litter box, making it really easy to pull the box out whenever you need to take care of it and then place it back inside. In addition, on the side, the cats have a cute little tunnel so that they can go into the litter box, so you never have a need to keep the front doors open. Our cats transitioned over to this system with no problem and easily found out where they needed to go to take care of business. The piece also includes a cat scratch post that you can place right inside, and I actually like it because it also maintains a lot of the litter so it doesn't track to the outside. The shelves have plenty of room so that you could store books or knickknacks. We actually added this piece to our mudroom, so we place our hats on there, a lamp, as well as umbrellas and extra slippers for when company comes over. So I really like this box because it keeps everything enclosed, there's minimal odor, and the cat's acclimated to it with no problem. If you're looking for a piece that will let you to keep everything inside nice and hidden away, then you need to check this out. But that's just my point of view.